Welcome back to ReviewTube. Today we're taking a close look at the Keter Artisan 9x7 foot large outdoor shed. With over 28,000 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating on Walmart, this shed has proven to be a popular and reliable choice. If you're interested, the link to the shed is in the description below. First off, let's talk about the material. This shed is made from Duotech material, which gives you the durability of resin with the look and feel of natural wood. It's resistant to rust, decay, and UV rays, meaning it will look great for years without any maintenance. Plus, the Duotech material is paintable, so you can customize the color to match your home or garden. It has clean, modern lines and a neutral color scheme that fits seamlessly into any backyard or garden. The dimensions are perfect for a wide range of storage needs, measuring approximately 9 feet wide by 7 feet deep. This provides ample space for storing garden tools, equipment, bicycles, and other outdoor items. It comes with a heavy-duty floor panel, which supports heavy loads and prevents water and mud from entering the shed. This robust floor makes it ideal for storing heavier items like lawnmowers and outdoor furniture. One of the key highlights of this shed is its ease of assembly. It's designed for DIY installation with pre-cut, pre-drilled panels and detailed instructions. The double doors provide easy access, even for larger items, and there are windows and a skylight to let in natural light, making it easier to find what you need inside. The windows are made of durable, shatter-proof material, adding an extra layer of safety. There's also built-in ventilation to keep the interior cool and prevent moisture buildup, which is essential for protecting your stored items from mold and mildew. Security is also a priority with this shed. The doors are lockable, so you can keep your belongings safe. Overall, the Keter shed is a fantastic option for anyone in need of a stylish and functional storage solution. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to ReviewTube for more product reviews.